previous video we have learned about conditional formatting. So this is the continuation of the conditional formatting video. We will see some more conditions. So I have same data. So I have selected the data range. We have completed highlight cells rules in previous video. So we are completing all these options now. Top or bottom rules, data bus, color scales and icon sets. So we'll see top or bottom rules. So top 10 items means it will show top 10 means we have percentages from 0 to 100. So it will show top 10 percentages if we select this option. I'm clicking on this top 10 highlighted with a red color. So clicking on OK. So top 10 items are displayed highlighted in red color. So same way we can select bottom 10 items as well. It I want bottom 10 items will be highlighted in green color. So bottom 10 items are highlighted in green color. So this is how we use top 10 items and bottom 10 items. Now we'll see top 10 percentage. So top 10 percentage is nothing but we have 20 percentages here. So 10% of 20 is 2. So if we select 10 top 10 percentage, then it will highlight top 2 items. If we have 30 scores here, if we select the top 10%, it will highlight top 3. So basically it will take 10% in total data. It will take top 10% of the items. So I'm selecting top 10 percentage. It should be highlighted in a red color. So it is showing top 2 items. So I'm changing data here. So in place of 70, I am entering it as 100. So it will showing 200s. So this is how it will work. So same with the bottom 10 percentage. It will show the bottom least two percentages. So I'm selecting green color for least. So it will show least two percentages. And coming to above average, so total average of 20 scores is here 79%. So it will highlight all the percentages which are above 79%. I'm clearing these rules. So after applying conditional formatting, if you want to remove the conditional formatting, then you can use this. You can click on clear rules and clear rules from selected cells. Then the conditional format will be removed from selected data. So I'm selecting above average. So the percentages which are above 79% will be highlighted here. I'm clicking on OK. See, above 79% everything is highlighted here. So same as below average, 79% below, it will be highlighted. I'm selecting yellow fill. So in total data, the average is 79%. So above 79%, above average, and below 79% it is below average. So we have finished top and bottom rules. Let's see database, color scales and icon sets. I have other data for these. So I have this data, the numbers from 100 to 120 for better understanding. I'm selecting this, go to conditional formatting. I'm selecting in database we have two options, that is gradient fill and solid fill. Gradient fill is nothing but it is combination of some lighter and darker shade. So if you select gradient fill, then uh, a graph will be displayed inside the cell. So if you change the number according to your number, the graph will be changed. In place of 20, I am entering 50. So the graph will be changed. So here I am entering 120. It is full. So this is how you can use data bars. So if I select solid fill, then the shade will be darker. So if you select gradient fill, it is a combination of lighter and a darker color. But if you select solid fill, then the color will be darker. That's the difference. It will work as same. If I change 120 as 10, then the graph will automatically changed. So let's see another rule. Color scales. If we apply color scales, then the color will be, means I am selecting the first one, so the color will be it is darker here. So when the number is increasing, it according to number it will be lighter and darker. And icon sets, icon sets will be like in so according to number, an icon will be applied to each number. So I'm selecting the first one. So the numbers which are lower, the down arrow is applied, and with the numbers which are in medium, in middle, the arrow symbol towards right is applied here, and the numbers which are in top, upward arrow is applied here. So this is how the number, the icon sets will work. So in icon sets we have different type of shapes and different types of icons. So you can apply any icons according to your preference. So this is like phone signal. So when a number is increasing, the signal is strength is increasing, and when the number is decreasing, it is weaker. If I change number here, then the graph will automatically change. So this is how we will use uh, all these conditional formattings. And if you want to remove the conditional formattings, then you can select all the data, and you can select you can click on conditional formatting. You can click on clear rules and clear rules from selected cells. If you click on clear rules from entire sheet the rules will be removed. So this is how we will use conditional formatting. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel POIT.